Alright. So here, there we go. Okay. I'm gonna use the restroom for 1 quick second. All right. We shall begin. So here we are. Let me change the time. Alright. So we are backtesting this session. Okay. Starting off on a daily, see we tap this daily inefficiency below us and we're reaching higher, going on to a weekly, monthly actually. Monthly we tap this inefficiency, rejected a little bit, and now we're continuing to go higher. I'm expecting overall to go here at all-time highs. On a weekly basis, we have this inefficiency over here. On a daily basis, we have all these lows over here, and then, well, inefficiencies. We go on a 4-hour basis. Let's see if we want to respect this 4-hour inefficiency, and it's Monday, so let's go ahead and just go to the PM. Okay, we inversed it, so I'm looking for longs. We have a fair value gap down here, which is also a discount of this range that I want to see traded into, and it's actually optimal trade entry of the range too. To make sure, let me go ahead and OTE. Ooh, let's inverse that. Inverse, as you can see, it's optimal trade entry of the range, perfect on the dot. Now let's go to consequent encouragement. Okay, going on to a 15-minute chart. We came down. We have equal lows over here. Something to note. We came down, inversed this inefficiency, not this one, and then we inversed it again. So I want to see if we could get a movement down before we move higher. We have a 5-minute tap, 15-minute tap to be exact. And then we have a very slow grind up for that 1 minute. But hey, give me a moment. I'm sorry about all those notifications in the back. Go ahead and mute my phone. If we go to the delete this out of here and this out of here. Oh, wait, this one I want to show you that we closed above the mean threshold of that order block on a 2-minute basis as well. So potential move higher now. No SMT at the highs either. So if we were to move higher, it would be now. We have a 3-minute right above, so it's something to keep track of. We have this 2-minute and body of that 2-minute. Okay. So I'm thinking if we should take this or not. You know, we have that balanced price range. We come down, we tap. Consequent encouragement of it. You could just eye it out and you can see that for yourself. And the balanced price range is this right here. So it's like, I'm thinking yes, it's good. We have a 4-minute right above. Alright, we'll take this 2-minute, see if price wants to move higher in our favor. I'm just worried it's too much of a premium. Oh, that looks pretty good, honestly. Let's go ahead and try it for a little bit. Try to get this high up here. Place order. This is a decent setup. We'll do 0.7. Here is my break-even point. Okay, we got break-even. Yeah, I figured we'd do some stupid shit like that. We come down and do it, inverse it again. That's hilarious. Alright, well, we met all of our objectives. Equal highs up there, otherwise I'd take that short. Don't do that. 5-minute tap. Equal highs above. Still have this 1 minute to inverse. It inverse right there. Looks good for those highs up there, but honestly, yeah, I'd have gone break even because this inversion was way too high. Okay, huge move down. Where are we tapping? Previous day high is right here. I have a 15-minute inefficiency right there. Only way I'd long right now is if we come down, honestly, because I'm not really interested in anything right now until we get into a discount of a range. Considering it's 235, I doubt we'll get a trade, but I want to see it. Yeah, I want to see it tap that fair value gap. A whole lot of nothing. All right, let's go to the next day. We have 8:30 news high up there. Going into a 4-hour, we have that 4-hour fair value gap. Previous day has been swept. We have an hourly order block that looks like it's probably just gonna get closed below. Maybe not. Maybe we get a retracement. We have a 15-minute low here. We swept the Asian session low here. Or is it Asian session? Yeah, 8 to 12. Asian session low there. So I am looking for potential longs up to the 8:30 news high. That's what I'm looking for. So right here is a good draw for now. But if we plummet, we plummet far. down sweep that 15-minute. Or the 5-minute that we just tapped. Oh, we inversed pretty nicely below. I mean, we tapped the 5-minute and then we're dropping quick. 930 high right here though looks good, honestly. Let's see here. Did we close below the mean threshold of the wicks? Yes. The body? No. But it's looking very bearish, honestly. Do we have any equal lows? Yes, there are equal lows right here. So if we were to target this, we target the equal lows there and then the inefficiency hourly right here. I don't like how monumental that high we left above is. The 930 high, especially since the fact that we were consolidating before and then failed to take it. Yes, huge SMT with ES though. But the assets aren't correlated whatsoever. So that's something to keep in mind when shorting this. Tap the order block, inversed lower. So I would go for a 1-to-1 here. Anything higher time frame? 15-minute is about to open up. We'll do a 1% trade here. There's my break-even point. Nice. That was a good trade. Yeah, so break-even point after we take out these lows. So we went break-even, and then the next minute didn't even get close to the break-even, which is nice. We went right for that liquidity that I marked out, which was the equal lows below. That was a good trade. 15-minute candle opened up a little higher, but not high enough to take us out, which was perfect. That was the only hesitation I had during that trade was, are we gonna get wicked out potentially? But no, we didn't. So now we have, what is that? An hourly tap? No, the hourly has yet to be tapped. But did we close below? Yeah, we closed below the mean threshold of the entire candle, which is nice to see. We have a 15-minute tap. But these highs, man, they're calling my name. So a potential reversal here. Potentially not. 4-minute candle, 2-minute candle. That'll look a good plummet. 24. So at 28. Right there. It's technically where. It's just a 4-minute. Consolidation. We manipulated higher, moved lower. No equal highs. We swept this low though. We have this 1 minute. Honestly, looks good for shorts. And then we have this hourly inefficiency below us. Only thing is, actually we inversed the 4-hour too, so yeah, I think it's queuing up for some nice shorts here. I mean, look at the Nasdaq, the ES, I mean, yeah, it's super uncorrelated for some odd reason. But yeah, I think it's queuing up to be some nice shorts here. I'm gonna put it above here on the 1-minute chart. That's the thing, is we can get a wick up here. I'm looking for a continuation, honestly. So let's see. Get that. Place order. I'll do 0.5 on this trade. Okay. Did we sweep it? We did sweep the low, so I'm break even here. Yeah, I got break even. Okay, I don't want to have whatever it's called, I forgot the name for it, where you know what happens in the market. But yeah, I got break even there. So let me just mark it down. Place order. 5 risk. It came up. Swept the low. Even. I got break even. Alright. I think it's still gonna work though, honestly. Looks okay, yeah, we got saved by the bell there. Is that equalized? No, it's not. 1052. Tap the order block up there. We have a 3-minute, 2-minute. I still like shorts here. This looks even better, especially with the 10-15 macro. But ooh, that long off the 5-minute looks good too. Don't get me wrong here, especially with that like breaker right here. Just a 5-minute breaker actually. High, low, high. I mean low, higher, low. 3-minute. Did it inverse? Inverse is at 11. Damn, but that looks good for longs. Let's see, would it have worked? I don't trade past 11, but yeah, it would have worked. I would have won break even there. 3-minute would be right there. Yeah, I would have gone break even. Yeah, it's okay. Okay, good trade for today. Okay, so that's good so far. Let's go ahead and go to the next day. Go to PM actually, sorry. Almost went to the next day. Let's go on a daily. Daily looks pretty good. It's like bumping higher. So we're in definitely a bullish market. Did we? Yeah, we tapped the daily. Okay. Going on to a weekly basis, we have this high up here that is getting reached for. Going on a daily, we just look at it. Yeah, it's the same thing. 4 hour. We're rejecting from this 4 hour very nicely. We have a 1 hour fair value gap. I want to see it traded into. I don't want it to be a breakaway gap, even though it would be beneficial. I want to get into a discount of this range. So from this to this, I want to see that 50% hit, bare minimum, if we want to take a trade. Yeah, it looks like we're gonna have to wait a while though. There's a 5-minute, yeah. Damn, 5-minute worked. It's just pumping. I need to see a little dump, dude. Yeah, I don't think we'll be able to position ourselves. And we swept that. So that's our objective was on point. Super good days so far though. It's super good. Let's go to the next AM session here. We're still at that weekly high with the fair value gap. So if we're gonna target, our next target would be the consequent encouragement of this gap. Very unfilled as well, so it's nice to see that with the consequent encouragement to right there of that gap. Going on to a daily, we keep going higher and higher. We have previous day highs right there, and the previous day low right there. But I wonder if we could get down into here to trade higher. That'd be nice if we did that. Okay, here's the 930. Okay, we swept in, took it. So now we have all this low resistance liquidity. That looks good, but I don't think we'll be able to just get an entry right off the bat, will we? Huh? Yeah, look at that. It's just sweeping it. Objective called once again. Okay, we tapped into this hourly order block once again. Swept all this 15 minutes. Tapped into the 15-minute here. Still like shorts though, so maybe able to get something off like a 5-minute if. Wait a minute. Hold on now. can't take that. That though, that looks a little better for shorts. We're not rejecting off any. Oh, the weekly. That's right. Like the fact that we came down. I don't know. The weekly lows there. Two-minute did inverse, right? This one right here did inverse. I might take that 2 minute. Let me see on the 4-hour basis. Do we have anything that we're rejecting off of? Yeah, we swept the 4-hour buy sides, tapped the 4-hour inefficiency. So that's something good. Noted. The only thing is I'm very bullish, so I'd be trading against the bias. And since we already had that move down, we're pretty close. Since we had that move down, that 4-hour on field looks very juicy, honestly. Do we have an SMT by any chance? We don't. Maybe right now we have? No. Still went higher. We're just too bullish for me to be taking shorts, but it does look good on a 1-minute basis. We had the 2-minute inversion right there. I don't know. I'm hesitant to take this. Only reason is because we came down to sweep some sell side and rejected off of it pretty nicely with that 15-minute over here and the hourly order block being respected. So, in my opinion, it can work, but I would reposition myself where we're already in a bear structure to take it, because as beautiful this trade may seem with the equal lows right here, I don't know. It looks good though. Don't get me wrong, but is that a 5-minute? No. You see, I'm trying to see if we could get into like a 5-minute tap. If we were up there, that I would have taken, but it's because we have a nicer rejection. What is this? What are we doing here? Oh, nice, nasty SMT. This looks actually pretty good for longs. Hold up, I kind of want to look at that one more time. See if there's like something we could target above us. These equal highs as our first objective. One of the stronger things in price action is closing above mean thresholds of order blocks. For example, like this, especially that, and an order block right here, and then a fair value gap. And then we have this 15-minute that we've been holding. We're in a bullish market, an hourly order block. We have a 5-minute right above us, right there. It's also the start of that. That looks good, honestly. Especially since it's a proportion block. We don't want to see it close below the mean threshold. So it looks very strong here. I'm gonna set my stop there. TP, we'll just do 1 to 2. But this is pretty strong. I'll risk 0.7 here. Well, I got break even there for sure. I would have taken TP at the equal highs, and then I would have gone break even right after. So I'm gonna take off 50%, and then I would have gone break even. So please give me break even. No, don't do that. Okay, hold on. Let me position myself. Replay to this day. Because I don't want hindsight. That's what it's called. Hindsight information. I don't want hindsight information. So what I'm gonna do, I'm play smart. 5% right there, and then I'm just gonna like, because then this ruins my RR. So I'll keep it at 1 to 1 for now, and then I'm just gonna take off 0.5 and dip right there, or 100% technically, but we'll just do 0.5. Shit. 0.35. That's what it is. 0.35. Save, and then I'll trail the stop. I mean, this right there. Okay, we got that. I did. So if you don't understand what I did there was, I would have taken TP there. I cannot sell limit orders with FX replay, which is terrible. But I take half of my position off there because we are tapping into this 5 minute. And while I am bullish, a 5 minute is, you know, it can help reject lower. But my main target was those equal highs. And then I would have kept I would have gone break even because we came down and tapped this. So after I took 50% off, I get break even. I did what I did right there because 75, 50% of 70, I mean 50% of 70 is 35%. So that's basically what I did. I took off that and then I got break even after. But see, we respected it. Okay. Ooh, hold on. Let me see if I can get into that. No, there's no inefficiencies, really. Not even a single one. Damn. 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 Really? It's like that? Some seriously messed up PA. 3 equal lows? Wow. That is so beautiful. I just want to enter right there, but I can't. Damn, man. That was honestly just such an easy read. And we couldn't get an entry, which sucks. Wow, not even a 1 minute? I'm looking at this one, but is it a 1 minute? I can't. No, it's not. Wow, man. That was obvious. Okay, what is this? 15-minute tap once again. We have this 3 minutes right here. That inverse is in. Here's the inverse right there, right? 3 short between. Yeah, this is the inversion right here. I want to see, did we close above the mean threshold? No. Maybe at the body? Nah. This, do we have any equal highs? No. Yeah, I'm not really taking that. Looks good, but yeah, it's just, I kind of like that mean threshold idea that I have. Okay, so we're just been chopping around. Potential continuation short. No, just bunch of top, chop, chop. Wait, how much did I make off that trade? 200. Alright, it's fine. Pretty good. I was gonna say, let's see if we could get this 1 minute inversion. Holy. And the 5 minute inverted, but not this one though. That fucking sucks. Let's see, get a wick above and then, okay, let's go to the PM. 4 hour tapped. Oh, look at that. We're going down here like I wanted to see. 1 hour with this one right here. I want to see it get inversed. I want to see if we could get up to. Oh, let's see if we can get into this 15. If we get into this 15, that would be really good to short off of. No! Whoa, 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 whoa. Equal highs. 1 minute couldn't even get the inverse on that 1 minute at least long. Really? Oh, no equal highs. But like, nonetheless, I would have taken that long if we had an SMT. Which we. Oh, I don't know, man. That's so unfortunate. I can't get it. Come on, dude. But I don't even have any inefficiency to long off of. Really? I would have taken these longs if we had an inefficiency right now. Literally this long. Up to that unfilled 15-minute. And this one over here. That would be my break even, and then I'll target that one up here. But no, of course I don't get an inefficiency. There's a 15-minute right there. That's my, I would go break even. Vehicle lows down here. So tap the 15-minute, tap the order block. And we have no 1 minutes to take that short off. Maybe we get one. Come down, tap that 5-minute. Yeah, wait, did we get an? No, we didn't get an inversion. Damn, we were accurate all. We were really accurate all this entire time. I told you, like, oh my god, I told you everything. That's crazy. All right, let's see here. Tapped into the 4-hour, swept previous hourly lows. We're in this 4-minute, about 4 to 5. I like longs though, but we just need to position myself to take a long. Let's see if we can hit it. Let me see here. Alright, let's see if this, assuming it did inverse. Four-hour, previous hourly swept. We've been chopping around for some time here. We have this 5-minute that we've been edging. We are in a discount. We inverse this 2-minute. Closing above the mean threshold, which is good. Very strong close. Fortunately, we swept that. Did we already catch a W for today? 18. I don't know. The way I'm looking at it is like it's a 5-minute, and then did we close below it? Yeah, we did close. No, we didn't close below. We would close at it. I just don't know if I want to take it, to be honest. Reason being is like we're shit, that looks good though. Yes. Tap this hourly order block. Yeah, ES looks like it can reject here as well, so we'll try it. We'll try it like light size. Nice order. I'll do 0.5 on this one. Okay. I'll go break even. And then what is that? 1.5. Yeah, that's fine. What is that? What are we reaching here? The order block body. We inverse the 5 though. Oh, come on, give me it. There we go. That was nice. That was a 1.6. I just targeted this because it was like the first swing high off of this entire that equal highs up there? Oh, that's a nice target as well. Honestly, I didn't see it, but if I did, that would have been, yeah, that would have been the target. Shit, I kind of want to. I would have targeted that. Trust me, but I'm not gonna go back and take it. But wow, that looks so good though. Look, and then we also had a breaker formation, a 5-minute tap. Wow. And then like a, what is that, a 2-minute or a 3-minute? Damn, we didn't have an entry off that, but like, yeah, those equal. I kind of want to go back and change it to that, but it was my error that I didn't see it. But like, fuck that. Okay, look, that would have been the trade though. I'm not gonna go back and take it. Even though I technically my rules for when I backtest is in a moment like this, yes, I could go back and change the trade. And if I like, I would have traded it exactly like I would have. I would have put my break even at break even whenever we tapped into this 5-minute. My trade entry was off this, so I wouldn't have even gone break even. That was such an A+ trade, honestly, and that right there was good. How much? We got 1.63, so we did 1% off that. Like, fuck, that equal highs, so good. It also aligns with the 15-minute swing high. Alright, I mean, yeah, technically, yes, I could go back and take it, but I'm not going to. Damn, that would have been an extra, like, what is that? 7 points. Because the TP was here. Yeah, 7.25. Damn, that definitely would have been the trade right there. 100%, without a doubt in my mind, that would have been the trade. I would have went break even as soon as we tapped this 5-minute right here. So my break even right there, and then I would have let the trade play out. That was a fantastic trade. Shit, I really would take it, but okay, I'm gonna move on, even though technically yes, I should do it, but do I? Let us think. You know what, bro? Yes or no? So this is gonna be the answer right here, yes or no, because 99% of my other trades on FX replay, if I notice something like that, I'm like, oh, 100% I wouldn't have taken it in real time, because in real time it's different. In real time, you know, a trade takes super long to play out, so you're analyzing the entire market before you even enter, and you're like, you look at everything, you know everything around you. With FX replay, you're backtesting, and while I'm doing that, sometimes, like right now, I didn't see those equal highs. But if you look at my normal chart, I'm hoping you can see I have an equal highs indicator, right? Let me show you. Move through drawings. I have this. It's called equal highs and equal lows. It basically indicates equal highs and equal lows. As you can see here, let me go on a minute or something. You can see I would have seen it instantly, and that would have been my target. I always target equal highs and equal lows. This is a great indicator because equal highs and equal lows are one of the strongest things that draws on liquidity in the market. Like, very, very strong. So let's go ahead and close out of this, but this will be the answer to whether, well, technically my FX replay says yes, go do it, but let's see here, yes or no. Yes or no, fortune wheel. If it says it, it says it, dude. You know, I'm gonna follow what it says. Wow. All right. Well, next one though, we definitely will. But yeah, that was our rule. But it's fine. Let's just go to the next AM session. Yeah. But for those who are backtesting, use FX Replay. It's a great software. Although they should have an option to set limits. I have no idea why they don't. That's one of the things that really annoys me. Yeah, but otherwise everything else really is good, and their 4-hour chart sometimes buffers, but it's an amazing software. It's $35 a month, so it's a little expensive, but nonetheless, good software. Okay, here is the AM session here coming into the 4-hour. We inversed it daily. We're tapping into this daily. It looks like we're just probably gonna close below, honestly. Weekly basis, we tap the weekly inefficiency up here, and we have yet to manipulate lower. Monday was this right here, and we just skyrocketed higher. I kind of want to see price end up closing somewhere over here in the week. 4-hour, we inversed. We left an order block as well. Let me show you that. Right here, tiny little order block. Cute little one. It might be even traded above. I think it did get traded above. Okay, 4-hour buffered. Okay, yeah. So now it is an order block because we closed below it. Order blocks are only order blocks when it gets closed above or below it. For example, this is a bearish order block. If this candle right here had closed right here where my wick is, it is not considered an order block. The way it closed, it is. For example, let me show you. Oh, this right here, this candle would not be considered a bullish order block yet until this candle right here, how we closed above it, because all of these wicks are not closes. So that's why when we got up here on a 4-hour basis and then we came down, some might have looked at that and said, oh, this is an order block, it might reject higher. But the reality is it's not an order block yet because it has not been closed above. If this 4-hour candle closed above and then this candle right here comes down and taps it, we might have seen that rejection there. But yeah, all right, let's move on. Hourly basis, you can see we tapped this inefficiency here and then re-inversed this tiny hourly for value gap. I want to see. Okay, we're in this. Oh, that looks like it's just gonna deliver lower now. Look at that. Look at the setup. Breaker right here. Oh, fair value gap. That's like a unicorn model. Someone's trading this right off the bat for sure. I knew it was gonna deliver up though for some reason. I was like, yeah, it's probably gonna say fuck you and do it exact opposite. Okay, that equal lows there. Can we get something? Okay. Let me see here. Do I want to take this trade? Oh, we took the equal lows? Oh, no, there's equal lows right there. It looks like, yeah, we might want to go down here, but I'm gonna just wait for a better trade. Hey, I was right. Oh, wow, we're going down to all-time lows. What is that? It's a 5-minute tap. That's what it is. I kind of wanted more of a better trade, but is there equal lows or something that I could trade off to? Nah. All right, we'll wait. Reason I didn't take this trade. Oh, I should have actually. No, there's no reason why I shouldn't have. The trade looked good, honestly. Hourly inefficiency. Only thing was this breaker that was holding it, and then how high we closed this 15-minute. I don't know. And then look at like how it was consolidating. I don't know. It didn't feel right, but turns out it was right. Okay, this short played out. Reason I didn't take this one is because it's too much of a discount for me to trade. I don't like trading in a discount range like that. It's too deep and there's a high chance it fails. I want to see that we're bumping down. 4-hour. Yeah, this low over here looks nice. Sub this hourly for value gap order block. Yeah, there's nothing I can trade right now until we get a good setup, but looks like it's 11. Let's go to the PM. Maybe we got that retracement already, and it's moving. It looks like it's just gonna move without us for the PM session here, unless we decide to move a little higher before we move lower, which is that the 15-minute tab that I was looking for? Nope, the 15 minutes up there, and we get it. Just a bunch of nothing. Okay, there's the objective map. We're plummeting a lot. But the next goal, besides that, is let's go on an hourly basis actually. We have this swing low right here, that looks good. Yeah, we're not really able to get a trade in there, now are we? It's too discounted for me to be comfortable with anything. Let's go to the AM session. Okay, coming into the AM session on a daily basis, you can see we're tapping into this inefficiency once again. We're moving up into a 4-hour. I don't know if I'm bullish. I kind of want to still see bearish. Like I said earlier in the backtesting session, I want to see price close somewhere around into here. And it looks like we are doing that on an hourly basis. We hit the order block, right? No, we have not hit the order block yet, but we did tap the fair value gap. And then we're rejecting nicely lower. We have all this low resistance liquidity. Did we have 10 a.m. news? No, that's Monday, 10 a.m. news. Okay. Let's look at 9:30. 9:30 open higher, which is good. This is what I wanted to see. And then let's see if we get some shorts here. Shorts right there might be able to play out properly. Looking at it here, we come up, tap the inefficiency once more. 2-minute candle right there. Just don't like we have not inversed this 15-minute. That's the only thing I don't like. Do we have an SMT potentially? We do have an SMT up there. We have a 5-minute right here. Coming to a 4-hour. Ooh, these 4-hour candles look kind of strong, but you know it's gonna want to plummet. We come up, tap that order block, and we're rejecting higher, especially off that 15 minutes on ES. ES tells us a lot too, by the way. Don't think just because it's slow it doesn't tell you a lot. I think I'm gonna pass on that trade. I mean, shit played out, but it's Friday, you know. I don't want to risk too much. What is it? 15-minute tap once more, and then we got the whatever. Get a clear 2-minute. I'm not taking that. Oh wow. Plummet lower. Discounted fair value gap got tapped on the hourly basis, swept all this liquidity, tapped an unfilled 15-minute as well as an order block. We're rejecting nicely higher. We have this 1-minute tapped, 2-minute potentially, 3-minute, 4-minute. No, this 3-minute is the maximum minute that we find. 10:06, go at 10:09 right there. Inversion, 3-minute basis right there. Right there would be the entry if I decided I wanted to take longs now, which I don't like that we swept this high, but I mean, honestly, yeah, this can work. I put my stop below that. I'm not gonna take this trade, but this is what the trade would look like. Stop below that, and then I guess TP like this one over here, but it's too high. We'd go for like this premium inefficiency up there. What is that? 15-minute tap. We have a 5-minute right below us. Really? We closed that. If we closed like right here, that would have been great. That would have been that trade that I would have taken because we're tapped at 15-minute we're delivering, but oh, come on, dude. That looks so good. Come on, man. Okay, what is that? 5-minute, 15-minute order block. 4-minute closed. I mean, yeah, this trade could probably work, honestly. Well, I'm not gonna trade it. It's 1060, but yeah, this load, all this looks good. I'm glad I didn't trade it because it was fucking about to be 11. All right. I think that was it for these days. All right, let's go check the navigation bar, dashboard, analytics. Let's go check the analytics real quick. 61%. We're increasing the win rate. I'm telling you, we're doing good here. We're up 34% on the account, 51K. Analytics, we're slowly but surely rising up. Going to initial balance, we're at 4.13%. Here is how it looks like on a weekly basis, or a monthly basis, sorry. 4.13, 34%. We are done with this week of July 19th. So we have, I believe, one more week of backtesting on July. Let me check. Knife bar daily, fair daily chart. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 days, 6 trading days left, which is good. On that bar, backtesting. This was the first year we did it. We got a total of 4.9, so we're about to beat it already. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed.